and welcome to a special Subway video. I almost did Wizard 101. Anyway, because I've just been doing a Halloween on my other account. Anyway, we just found out that our renovation is starting tonight, people, tonight. Anyway, we will come in tomorrow at work. I come in 11:30. Heather comes in earlier than that. Anyway, and we are going to not have any wallpaper. So, this is what the wallpaper looks like now. Okay? And the dining area, renovators. Anyway, yes. So we found out that we were not going to have any wallpaper in the morning. So, I will be keeping you up to date. Not every day, because I don't think I'll be able to every day. But, yeah. So, just stay tuned, and I hope everyone's having a great Saturday. So, take care, and everything. So, yep. So, if you like this video, click that thumbs up button. Subscribe, share. Leave a comment on your thoughts. So, I don't know what the wallpaper is going to look like after they put the new one on. So, yeah. So, take care.